First, we need to go to Settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down to find Security and Privacy and then choose it. Now over here, go to Device Unlock and then go to Fingerprint. You will need to provide the screen lock password. If you didn't set up the screen lock password, you will be asked to do so before you can actually set up the fingerprint. Then we have the information about the screen protector, so we can press OK and then press Setup. Over here we have the fingerprint sensor, so we need to touch with our finger and then lift it and do this several times. Try to use different angles, touch it with your finger in a different way each time so that more data is actually scanned of your finger. And we need to keep doing this until this whole area is red. Of course, you can add multiple different fingerprints. And you can scan the same finger even twice. There we go. So we are done. We can press done in the bottom right corner. Then we have the settings of the fingerprint. And that is all. Now we can unlock our phone with our finger. There we go. Check this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, subscribe.